We are in C6, looking for more motorcycle accessories. And I guess there's just a ton of shops next to each other, kind of like Calaucan, but a little cheaper. Different store?
Yes.
Okay.
Other one. Beside.
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
Ton of shops all lined up. Shin pads, jackets. Stuff I don't know what it is. Air pump. Ah, gloves. That's on my list, gloves. Dope. Oh, they have it.
No, it's not the.
No, that's sticker.
Overlay. This is
Right here?
sticker.
No.
It's a sticker.
You
The white one.
fooling me, man.
Just said it's a carbon
I
sticker.
thought it was the vinyl.
No. That's the vinyl. This is the one.
No, vinyl like leather.
Ah. Kuya, sprocket na
I need a bunch of those, huh?
Your version, hello?
Yeah, then for me, come back this way. So again, no luck on that sprocket, but I know where to get it. The other place has it. I just got to go by the model number.
3090.
Well, that other place has. We can get the sprocket over at Calaucan later.
Ah, okay. So which one are we gonna...
Pen tire markers.
May tire pen ka dyan. Parang pencil pen susulat sa gulong. Dito, wala dito. Bibenta nun.
Wala naman dito.
What else?
You don't have.
Tons of stuff. Light bars.
So,
What are we looking for
I
now?
don't know. The tire pen, nobody else selling here. According to that guy, to that kid. All of this. I don't know.
They're on gloves.
Huh?
They're on gloves. There's got to be places with gloves, right?
Lots of gloves, but I don't know if they can pull.
Hey.
YouTube yan, pre. Lalabas na YouTube.
Let's check his store.
Kaya naka... Wala na. We don't have...
They have the light? No? Eliminator lights?
Live in Facebook. Ano po?
Where's he at? Right here. What's that?
Kasi may tire pen ka.
No idea.
Tire pen sinusulat sa gulong. Parang pencil pen.
May building ako.
Huh?
They don't have...
Sing-sing ako na lang.
Go the other side there.
Ay, oo, yan kinakabit niya. Ano?
Pati pa itong manakya.
Part of their store.
Yes.
Ano price? Tawag dito, may tire pen kayo?
Carbon.
Tire
Yung
markers.
sinusulat nga sa gulong pre yung...
Go inside these places, they're huge. Huh?
That one?
This one. This two. This two.
This one.
That one?
Let me see.
What color do you prefer?
Red
Red?
or white? Yeah, right here.
This one.
With the carbon fiber?
Ay, yung carbon fiber daw ang dating.
Yan dito ano. Ha? Yung carbon.
ATM.
Ito plastic.
I thought right here.
Anong motor ba ang kapitan? Ikaw na lang ba?
No?
No. No carbon fiber. Found one?
No.
Like the gloves. They don't have the carbon fiber one. They only have like the plastic.
No fiber, plastic one.
Ano ba magandang ano yan?
I thought I seen the one.
That one? It's a red, but it's not a carbon fiber.
Hard to find what you're looking for. I'm right in your face, Mom. Jinky fish. Autograph, Mom.
Off we go.
Just got back home, and you know, I realized I totally forgot to show what I got today. I got these hand grips. They're a little bit fat, but a lot of grip on them. This thing spins. See how that looks on the bike? I want to stick with the red thing for the Diablo thing. Should look better than the stock. Then when I got home, I decided to go to the mall, and I went to a car accessory shop. Got this marker here for painting the lettering on the tires. Cool, I looked all over for one of these, and I thought it was gonna be like 100 pesos. Holy shit, 599.75. The tire marker was like 12 bucks. I thought it was gonna be $2.